I think if the child already knows basic crochet stitches,
Yeah.
and is confident enough to improvise where the instructions are not that clear,
Yeah.
then it will be easy enough.
Yeah.
But if they need to stick rigidly to patterns, then it might be a bit confusing.
Yeah.
So it's a simple.
The pattern, the stitches are simple. The instructions are a little confusing in places. They're missing bits out, a couple of bits out. If you can read the diagram, that might be an easier way to go about it. Yeah. So really, a child who already knows a bit of crochet or is doing it with an adult